So I'm going to show you how to get a judge removed off the bench when they constantly keep trying to violate your constitutional rights. So let's take a look at this. It is 3:34 p.m. and I'm going to show y'all a text message that I just got. Really? And that text message, it says filed. And it was filed the 27th, which is today, at 3:11 p.m. Now, what exactly is this? So that gentleman right there was with me for about seven or 8 months or so. He's now a franchise of the business, and he's gone through a divorce. And he's going through a divorce, and we made sure he put himself in a position to receive alimony, because with a divorce, you get one shot. Well, when you constantly keep filing motions with the courts is like, wow, this guy's kicking our ass. So what the judge did was, the judge appointed counsel. We asked repeatedly that the counsel recuse himself, because we don't need nobody to talk for him. As a matter of fact, the judge said, you don't even have to talk to him. He'll just be on standby when you need to file and come up with paperwork. Well, he got me for that, and he's been doing it perfectly ever since. But here's the reason, the real reason why the judge appointed counsel. Take a look at this. This, of course, is a motion that I drafted up for him today at 12:57 p.m. And this is what we have to say about that. You appointed counsel against my wishes with just in case I need help as reason. But it's not because of me needing help. Judge Gallagher, you appointed counsel in place to bar me from speaking on my own. And that's exactly what the judge did. Now, in that motion that I drafted up, I covered all the bases. I covered the reasons as to why he did it, and I drafted up a special understanding to the judge, and that was this. As I requested yet again, I will file an injunction in federal court. So basically, I drafted up a motion, and I helped that judge understand. We know what you're doing, so I tell you what. You tell this guy to recuse himself, or I'll file an injunction in federal court, and you can come to federal court, Your Honor, and explain to them why I am constantly telling you I do not want this person to speak for me. Bigger picture, the judge only appointed that counsel to speak for him, so he can't say anything. So what's going to happen is, because he's in a winning position right now, his wife makes more money. He's getting alimony. He won't be paying child support. He's going to get a divorce owing nothing but getting paid. The judge don't want that. So the judge appointed all these counsels, so he can't say nothing. And what's going to happen? They're going to constantly keep going to court. All these individuals going to put all these recommendations. The judge going to sign off on them, and then he'll spend years trying to unright the wrong that was done to him. Oh, you think I'm kidding? Well, take a look at this. This is what we filed. In the conference appointed, I said they'll disappear. You see that? Now I'm going to tell y'all what it says. Then I'll spend years fighting. And that's basically what I just said. You see, you guys only get one shot at a divorce. Judges know that. So at the time it's time to get a divorce, that's when you don't work. You have nothing going on for yourself. Now, the judge, what they want to do is they want to keep postponing it. He have a court date tomorrow. They postpone it and turn it into a conference, because they want to just now collect evidence and let these two individuals that was appointed fuck them over. We on that. As you should be too. 732-875-9111. Do not, under no circumstances, keep fucking yourself, and don't talk to a father's advocacy group at least one time to get an understanding on how to remove a judge off the bench. As I stated, we'll file an injunction in federal court, and that judge can go to court and explain it. You seen it? It was filed. We ain't playing.